Hey guys, here's number 7. So a pole tilts away from the sun at a 12-degree angle from the vertical and casts a 35-foot shadow. The angle of elevation from the top of the shadow to the top of the pole is 73 degrees. How tall is the pole? Okay, so here we go, number 7. So here is a normal pole. We can always assume that it does make a 90-degree angle to the ground. Okay, and here's our shadow, but remember the sun has to be behind it to cast the shadow, and the pole is now tilting 12 degrees. So I need to figure out what this angle is. Okay, now I'm going to redraw our triangle. Okay, we know this is the 35. So here I got to do 90 minus 12 because it's leaning forward. Minus 12. It's 78 degrees. Okay. And this is my pole. So that means this is going to be 73 degrees. My advice is, oopsies, I am so sorry. Let's get our letters on this picture. Okay, so step 1, we got to figure out how big C is. Okay, so big C is 180 minus 78 minus 73. So 180 minus 78 minus 73. I got 29. Okay. Now do I know all of the letter? And if the answer is yes, we're going to use, good job, we are going to use the law of sines. So sine of 29 equals, we're finding B. This is the question. So this will be B over sine of 73. This is where we're going to cross multiply. 35 sine of 73 equals B sine of 29. Now we're solving for B, so we're going to divide by sine of 29. And B equals, so 35 sine of 73 divided by sine of 29. And I got 69.0. Okay, that was kind of fun. Okay, I'm looking and I don't know if I have enough space. So y'all know what I like to do. Let's just give it a try. Let's see. Worst case, I'll have to take number 8 to the other side. Okay. Can y'all see it? Okay. To approximate the length of a marsh, a surveyor walks 585 feet from A to B. So let's go ahead and draw my triangle. I know there's one on there. So A, B, C. A, B, C. So from A to B is 586 feet. And she turns 93 degrees and walks another 934 feet to C. Walks from A to B. Okay, then she turns. So here she turns and walks 934. Okay, so you see here on, oopsies. Okay, you see here on this picture, this is 93. I need this angle. Okay, now I'm going to turn my paper around. All lines of all straight lines equal 180 degrees. Okay, so if this side is 93, I am so sorry, if this side is 93, can I find this angle? And the answer is yes. Okay, to find this angle, I'm going to do it right here. So we're going to do 180 minus 93. So 180 minus 93. I got 87 for big B. Okay. I hope that does make sense, that that line does equal 180. Okay. Now the question was, What is the approximate length of the marsh? Okay. We want to know this value. Okay. Do we know all of the letter? And the answer is no. So this is going to be the law of cosines. Because I'm given big B, I have to use the B squared equation. So B squared equals 934 squared plus 586 squared minus 2 times 934 times 586 cosine 87 degrees. Now, do you see how my unknown is all by itself? And we know all the side, all the right-hand side. So I'm going to type this into our calculator. So 934 squared plus 586 squared minus 2 times 934 times 586 cosine 87. Now, don't forget to take the square root. So B equals 1076.3. Okay. Let's do one more before we call it a video. Okay. Number 9. John and his dad are making a triangle-shaped fire pit. They know that 2 of the sides are 8 feet and 10 feet. The angle between the sides is going to be 59 degrees. Find the, notice the word area. Okay, so when in doubt, let's draw a picture. A, B, C. So they said 2 sides are 8 and 10. 8, 10. Okay, and the angle between them is 59. Okay, so little a, little b, and little c. But they just want area. And notice I have side, angle, side. So area is 1/2 times 8 times 10 sine of 59. And again, we know everything, so we're going to type this in. And I got 34.3. Okay, I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next video.